Is that a back scratcher?
It.
Good morning, everyone. Today is October 11th, and that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Oh my god, I look so crusty. So yeah, today I have Emily and Amber. It should be really fun. I'll talk to you when I get very normal again. Also, do you like my eyes? It's from Jeffrey. I'm sorry that I wear it a lot, Jeffrey. What did I just say? So we're at a gas station. Amber's tires needed to be filled. What was the tire pressure? Was at like 30 or something? So her tire pressure is at 33 and they're supposed to be at 51. So here's a wonderful montage of them just blowing up the tire. That did not sound correct. I don't have muscle. What do you want?
I can't get it off.
Emily. wait. What?
Hire me for NASCAR.
Let's just take a moment. A moment of silence.
Insert. Hello, darkness, my old
friend.
Police officer just asked if we needed help. We said no, but we're screwed with this tire.
We're going inside to ask for help. We'll be back. Okay. Help part 2.
We'll just pull up right here and ask for help. What's it called?
Oh, that's so creepy. That's Emily right there.
Right in the fucking way.
Bye! Have fun!
I can't believe that just happened. He literally just was like, look how big and tough I am.
So we got some Tutti Frutti. I got cotton candy with some strawberries and strawberry boba.
I got chocolate with more chocolate. With more chocolate. Mine's got like
Everything.
coconut, chocolate, death by chocolate, a fuckload of toppings as we
I finished in second place.
I use that instead of 2 small ones.